Okay, welcome to problem number 2. We need to find the circumference. Again, I have all of the formulas that you need: radius, diameter, circumference when you have a diameter, circumference when you have a radius, and area. We need to find the circumference of this circle. What line is it giving us? What is this line called? Well, we know it's called a radius because the definition of a radius is a line drawn from the center of the circle all the way to the outer edge. That's the definition of a radius. You need to memorize that so that way when you see this line, you know exactly what it's called. Now that means that we're looking for the circumference. Well, if we have a radius, we need to go to the formula that has our r in it, our radius. So I'm going to type that formula in here. C equals 2. Now, I'm not going to type in some weird N or TT or whatever thing. I am going to go up to here to insert, down to special characters. I'm going to go over here to this magnifying glass, click on it, type pi. It's going to give me the symbol for pi. And it's not bringing up the little box. Either way, it's okay. Just click on that. Click this over here, and look, it brought it up. Then I'm going to put my r. So C equals 2 pi r. I will not accept pi in any other form than that form. So whatever else you're sticking in there, you're not doing what I'm asking you to do, and you're going to get it wrong. I'm going to then put in my equation. I don't know my circumference. I'm trying to find that out. So I just bring down the C. Bring down my equal sign, 2 times. Now we know pi is 3.14. We know that because we've learned that a couple days ago. You need to bring that to memory. You need to have that memorized. Pi equals 3.14. Then I'm going to multiply my radius, which is 2.5. It gives it to me over here. I put in x's here, so that way it made it easier for you guys because we don't have any x's variables that we're working with. So that's okay if you put an x for multiplication sign. Now I'm just going to do my order of operations, which is multiply straight across. You can use a calculator. 2 times 3.14 times 2.5. That gives me C equals 15.7. Do I have 15.7 over here? Yes. So let's go over here first. Expectations. Show your work in the white box. I showed my work. I did my formula. I filled it in to get my equation, and now I have my answer. I'm going to highlight the letter. 15.7. Here we go. I'm highlighting C. I've done number 2. Number 3, drag the word into the sentence up above. You cannot drag it until it has that white plus sign with the arrows. Then I'm going to drag it up here just like that. This is how your slide should look, really nice and neat and tidy when you are turning your work in. This is how the slide should look. You have your word up here. You have all your stuff shown here. You have your letter highlighted here. Once you have all of this done, then you are complete and you can move on to the next problem.